Welcome back, Crammers, to question 8. Benas makes 300 celebration cards so that the ratio of birthday cards to anniversary cards to congratulation cards is 7 to 5 to 3. If we find the sum of that, that is 15. That is for later. 2/5 of the birthday cards have numbers on them. 36% of the anniversary cards have numbers on them, and none of the congratulation cards have numbers on them. So it's just 0%. Work out the fraction of the 300 cards that have numbers on them. So what that means is the number of birthday cards plus anniversary cards which have numbers on them over 300. Let's find that out. When calculating numbers from ratios, you simply find the total of all the ratios, 7 plus 5 plus 3 is 15, and divide the total number by that ratio sum. So 300 divided by 15 is equal to 20. What's 20? 20 is equal to one of the ratios. Okay. So here we can see that the birthday cards, okay, is 7 to 5 to 3. So we simply multiply 20 by 7. So that means the number of birthday cards is 140. Now, 20 times 5 is 100. So there are 100 anniversary cards, and 3 times 20 is 60. So there are 60 congratulations cards. If we find the sum of this, we can see that it is equal to 300. Okay. Now, 2/5 of the birthday cards have numbers on them. So let's write here 2/5 of the birthday cards have numbers on them. 36% of the anniversary cards have numbers on them. So 36 over 100. And none of the congratulation cards have numbers on them. So we can simply write here 0 over 100. When finding a fraction from a whole number, we simply multiply. 140 times 2 over 5 is equal to 56. And 100 times 36 over 100 is simply equal to 36 because the 100s cancel out. And 60 times 0 is just equal to 0. Now, what is this value? This value is the amount of cards which have a number on them according to their ratios. But it says here, you have to find the fraction of what the 300 cards have numbers on them. So we simply combine 56 and 36. 56 plus 36 is equal to 92 over 300. So let's find out what the simplified form of that is. 92 divided by 300 is equal to 23 over 75. 23 over 75. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.